calling the attention of the following passenger of Philippine Airlines Flight PR-104 bound for San Francisco. Passenger Mr. Noel Malvar, Mr. Noel Malvar, Mr. Alan Lapasaran, Mr. Alan Lapasaran, and Mr. Arvin John Sigua. Mr. Arvin John Sigua. If you're around, kindly approach any of our ground staff at gate N16.